said.
We're gonna have a good day, and all my homies gonna ride today.
That's right.
And all these mommies look fly today, and all we wanna do is get by today. Hey, we're gonna have a good day, and ain't nobody gotta cry today, 'cause ain't nobody gonna die today.
I'm working on the crawler track, and I'm going to burn some of the wood. It is Doug fir wood, and it's just cheap wood that you get down at the Home Depot. It's like $1 a board, or for some of the bigger pieces it's $2 a board, but it's really cheap wood. But I found a way that I like to make it look a little better. I get a torch. This is for soldering. I'm sure you could use the butane, but I'm using the MAP gas. It gets a little hotter. And one of my friends, he gave me some pallet wood, and it looked kind of like that, and I burned it, and now it looks like this. So you can do it with pallet wood too. Just makes it look a little different and a little better. So this is what our first product's going to look like to begin with. And then I'm going to put this GoPro on my head, and you guys will be able to see the process of me burning it. So my basically what I do, or I feel like it is like painting with a fire. The longer you hold it there, the more it gets burnt. I just like to bring out that grain. I really like to burn the ends of these too. So if you're going too fast, it won't do the job right, and you'll have to come back over. So this is what it looks like when you go too fast. You just want to go at a nice pace to where you're getting the color that you like.
Thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget, hit that bell.